300-mile round trip. Most of my friends are barely good for 200 miles. There are days where I don't want to sit on a bike for 200 miles. Well, there's a lot of bikes up here. It's not like Florida. In Florida, the bikes would get 5-6 wide, used in both lanes. For some reason, they think that's okay. Look at those views. I can't turn my head enough. How'd y'all crash? I was shooting videos so people could see the mountain views, because they don't want to come here and visit. Clouds are starting to burn off now. That sun's popping through. He's got a little rubber ducky on his trailer hitch ball. Look at that, a little rubber ducky. Golly, that's cute. He's up there white knuckling the steering wheel. Ten and 2, Grandpa. 10 and 2. You're doing good. Steady as she goes. Steady as she goes. This is the turn that the rider died in. One of my videos. He went off the side. There's a skid mark still there. Gentlemen, front and rear brakes always. You can trail brake to set that back in, eliminate a little bit of speed, but don't stand on that rear brake. That back tire is not going to stop you. Boy, he's getting it through here. Look at him go. Like a lesbian in the mountains. Just driving lickety-split. Motorcycle gang. I think there's a passing zone. We'll take it. Can't see, can't see. There goes Tracy. I have got to ride up here more often. The traffic's not that bad for it being a Sunday morning. It's currently 11 o'clock. Alright, let's look at this. Look at that view. Look at that view. Welcome to the Smoky Mountains. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. I wish you were here. I wish you were here with me. I'm not sure why you stay at home. Every video I tell you how great it is. But yet you stay at home and watch my videos from afar. Why don't you come up here and ride with me? I'll get you in some of these videos. I'll make you the star. My girlfriend's back there. He's going, go! Go! Would you go? Go! Alright, let's go down the mountain. Let's go get something to eat. I'm hungry. And Tracy with his enlarged prostate, he's probably got to pee now. Look how beautiful that is. Come on, y'all. Look, 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 look.